Our people are starving. We must find the legendary valley beyond the frozen chasm.
The ice formation here is unstable, and we need to understand its strength before we build.
I promise you, we will get everyone across safely. The children and elders cross first.
It's wider than we thought. But if we work together, we can build a bridge that will hold.
This section can support more weight, and this one here is the structural keystone.
Team 1, bring the packed snow. Team 2, prepare the water to freeze the joints.
Perfect. Now reinforce that joint before we add more weight to this section.
No! No! The winds are changing. We're running out of time.
The melting is faster than I calculated. We need to cross now.
I've got you, Grandmother.
One step at a time. You're doing great.
Don't look down, little one. Just keep your eyes on the other side.
Stay calm, everyone. Keep moving, but don't rush. We're almost there.
The weight distribution is wrong. Everyone move to the outer edges. N-O-W.
Follow me! I won't let anyone fall! Trust me, and M.O.V.
Help us! Please! We're going to fall!
We're coming for you. Hold on just a little longer.
The angle needs to be perfect. Calculating trajectory. Got it.
Grab the rope. I'm coming across to get you. I've got you. You're safe now. Trust me, and don't look down.
We did it. Everyone made it. Nobody left behind.